How to fix Windows Defender update problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the Windows Defender update problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the first thing we can try to do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So open up settings, then simply go to Windows Update over here, or Update and Security in this case. So from here you can go to this option and select Troubleshoot Windows Update, right? So here you can see all these options. You can also just try to go to Advanced Options and you can try to troubleshoot your update in this case to hopefully solve that problem. If that's not the case, you can try to disable any third-party antivirus. So if you have third-party antivirus like a McAfee or Quick Zip or Quick Heal or other sort of antivirus programs like that, you can also just try to actually disable them. And you can also download them manually, the Windows Defender updates, right? Because once the updates are detected, they'll automatically download. You can check your system files, because missing or corrupt files, sometimes if you have any sort of files or application that you just install, you can try to uninstall those and help you solve that problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.